Last month, we launched Path to Gold, our agent-focused learning management system. We are excited to be the first real estate brand in Canada to offer a resource like this to our agents. You have probably already received a welcome email inviting you to log in and take a look around. We have 2 learning pathways currently in the system, with 2 more coming soon. Each learning pathway is a collection of courses and modules aimed at teaching you the skills and best practices you need to excel based on the stage of your career you're currently in. New to real estate is for agents who are in their first 2 years in the industry. Experienced agents is for agents who have experience but want to take their career and earnings to the next level. Like with all our technology, you need to be logged in with your Century 21 email address to access it. Click into the Google Apps menu and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see Path to Gold with all the other C21 tools. When you log in, you will find yourself on the dashboard. To get started on your learning path, click Learn in the main menu. In the menu along the sidebar, click Learning Paths, and you will see the 2 options, New to Real Estate and Experienced Agent. In the New to Real Estate learning path, there are 2 courses which must be completed in order. The first one is called Introduction to Century 21 and is comprised of 4 modules that introduce you to the C21 network. These modules will show you how to use Google Single Sign-On to access all our tools and tech. They discuss compliance, such as FinTrack, Castle, and the Do Not Call list, and show you how to set up your website to be indexed by Google. The second course, Your Career in Real Estate, goes into the fundamentals of how to be a real estate agent. Topics include key terms, concepts, and habits, as well as best practices for being a successful agent, introduction to the concept of creating a brand that communicates your mission statement, value, and voice to differentiate you from other agents. Understand the importance of setting goals to provide direction, focus, and motivation. Toolkit to prioritize your activities to ensure you're being productive with the tasks that will ultimately lead to sales. Introduction to lead generation and all the sources you can capitalize on to nurture new clients. Benefits of using a customer relationship management system to work your sphere with efficiency and automation. Now we will take a look at the Experienced Agent Learning Path. This set of 4 courses acts to reinforce good habits, and for some agents, it will lay the foundations that you didn't learn as a new agent. Like with the New to Real Estate path, this one also starts with the same Introduction to Century 21 course. However, if you complete it in one learning path, you are not required to do it again if you move to another learning path. The second course, Business Planning, has 2 modules. They cover thinking like an entrepreneur, forming mission and vision statements, and creating your business plan for the next 1, 3, and 5 years based on your financial needs and goals. The next course, Your Value and Potential, has 5 modules that cover determining your drive and motivation, crafting your value proposition and analyzing your activities to prioritize the ones that work towards your goals, a deep dive into the acquire, build, close, and develop lead generation strategy, analysis on the 6 steps to working a seller through the process of selling their home, and the 5 steps to working a buyer through the process of searching for and buying a home. The last course in this path is lead generation. It has a dedicated module on farming, sphere of influence, and open houses. It rounds out the course with a module on using your value proposition within your lead generation efforts to help convert leads. And it wraps up by showing you how to prioritize lead generation activities to get the most benefit from your time and money. Once you start a learning pathway, you can easily access it from your dashboard. Simply scroll down to My Area and you will see the course you're taking and the learning pathway it's in. This allows you to jump back in where you left off. We hope you find this content helpful, as these learning pathways contain the proven fundamentals to becoming the best agent you can be.